Somali families in Hillfield say they're suffering a range of racist attacks, from fire bombings to having headscarves ripped off.
One of the worst cases, she said, that happened to me, it was I was carrying my shopping from the shop and I was pour urine all over my head.
Many families wouldn't talk to us on camera. It was left to Nura Abe to show us around this troubled estate.
They smashed the car, they used a stone at the top of the garden and it went right in. They got the bike stolen, their car, their front door has been broken into. They actually went inside, people who were trying to, beat the children up.
Even as we were filming, there was verbal abuse.
Nobody else knows what you go through on a daily basis.
Off camera, a car stopped with two white men inside.
These people are calling me to shut up and to move as you actually, filming. So it's really horrible.
The abuse has been so bad that a dozen Somali families are now being moved off this estate. Alan Jones is one of many trying to improve cultural misunderstanding here. He organised a day for children in the park to bring everyone together. But housing, he adds, is another divisive issue.
This is where the parents are saying, oh look, they're getting all the houses, and the children are hearing this and they're reacting on what their parents are saying within the home. So if we got rid of these problems, I know it's a terrific problem, you can't just appear with houses, but if we got rid of the housing problem, that'd go a long way.
Anti-racism agencies say complaints are down in Hillfields in recent weeks, helped by the police who've made arrests and are targeting a handful of troublemakers. Scott Ellis, BBC Points West, Hillfields.